Hey guys, LadyLibertyStacker. Today is Friday, August the 7th, 2020, and I got a package in from one of my subscribers. She had watched a video that I made a couple of weeks ago of a haul that I did at a flea market, my last big haul at the flea market, and I ended up with a couple of these Griswold waffle paddles, which I'll show you more in a minute. And she actually happened to have a companion piece that would match those, and we made a little deal, and she went ahead and sent it out to me so I can pair it with my paddles. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and tear into this. I'm going to go ahead and move this camera back a little bit. She used a priority medium flat rate box to send this out, and I'm going to go ahead and remove it. I pre-scored it to get everything out, and she used my packing technique. Maybe it's her packing technique, who knows. But we've got some filler in here, and that's it. Okay, I just want to make sure there's nothing else in the box. And it's actually the same kind of way I wrap mine, so I love it, love it, love it. So what we're going to go ahead and do, and I'll go ahead and reuse the packing materials that she had sent. She has shrink wrap on this, so we'll go ahead and try to get all of the shrink wrap off. And she used a pool noodle to go over the handle. She put a little bit of a pool noodle in here, if you can see that, to protect the handle while shipping. And there's some foam, it looks like, on the bottom or the top of this unit, and pool noodles around the edges, so it really gives it good protection during shipping. And that's how I try to ship all of mine. The only problem is I went to the dollar store the other day, is where I get my pool noodles, and they didn't have any more in stock. Get all the shrink wrap off. And I asked if they were going to be getting any more in, and they said no, it was a seasonal item. So I don't have a lot of pool noodles left. I'm probably going to be forced to buy them online at Amazon or wherever, and they're not cheap. I can usually get them for $1 a piece, and that keeps the cost of packing and everything down. But they go up to like $2 to $5 each, which I think is crazy. I want to be careful opening this. Just want to make sure that we don't damage the piece with all this careful packing. And this is a great packing job too. And the sub's name is Sherry. Sherry's at a good distance from me, so this skillet had to travel. I think she sent it out on Monday. I got it yesterday. I just didn't have a chance to open it. I wanted to do the unboxing to show the state of my paddles and her work. She does a lot of cast iron restoration and is involved in Facebook groups and things of that nature. I don't think she posts any videos though, but anyway, she had this piece. She thought it might be plated. I said I didn't care. It was still a companion piece, and she went ahead and cleaned it up and put it in her light tank, or I don't know if she uses light tank, but she has an e-tank, so she put it in there for sure. Ooh, is that gorgeous? Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Excellent. And then there's a nice piece of foam on the base, and then of course the handle, and yep, everything arrived, just beautiful. Excellent. So let me get all this stuff to the side here. I'll move this a little bit closer so we can see it. And this is it's almost like a skillet. It's just a base for a, this is the way is the right way. She put a little foam in there too. That's great. I love it. It's a number 8, if you can see that there. And it's got the holder for the ball joint for the paddles. And we're going to go ahead and see if this fits. It should fit. This is an American. This is stripped. Number 8. It has patent pending, or patent December 1st, 1908. It's an 885F. And we're going to go ahead and put it in here. Yep, it fits. Beautiful. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, I still have to season these. And Sherry gave me a tip. To season a waffle maker, she uses those Wedge Makeup facial makeup removal sponges, and they get right down in here in the crevice. So I'm waiting for those to arrive before I do anything. So I'm going to go ahead and put the ball joint together and just see if it fits. It fits beautifully. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I might have to keep this one and sell my number 9. But you lift it up just to move it. That kind of thing. So anyway, this is how it looks. And it's got the handle there. And then you just basically lift it up and you rotate the paddles like you would any waffle iron. It works beautifully. So, yeah, but these are in a state of... haven't been seasoned yet. That's just stripped down to the bare metal. And I'll turn over so you can see the other side. You can see here. These are very difficult to do because you have a lot of font here, and you got your slant Griswold logo. It's an 885A on this one, and we'll turn it over, and that's an 885F. A lot of font, and we're going to go ahead and look at the waffle iron. And there it is there. And you can see all those square nubs. That's what they're referred to as. So I've got to season it up, and I will be back once it's done. If you guys would like to watch me season it, I can make another video. Leave it in the comment section. But if you guys aren't interested, it takes a lot of time to edit a video and make a video with everything you have to do in seasoning one of these waffle irons. I'm not going to do it. It's just not worth my time. But if you guys really want to see it, I'll do it. I attempted to do it before, but I think I lost all my my GoPro malfunction, and I lost a lot of the clips, so I didn't bother doing it. Anyway, thanks again, Sherry. This piece is gorgeous. You did a fantastic job. She does wonderful work. And I'm going to go ahead and take my paddles out, and you can see this piece up close. She had this in her e-tank, and I think she gave it 3 coats of seasoning. She uses Buzzy Wax too. Actually, she turned me on to Buzzy Wax. Just beautiful. It looks brand new, like it just came out of the foundry. So I really appreciate her hard work on this. And okay, so I've talked long enough, so give a thumb up if you want to see more videos like this. Leave a comment or question below. Please hit the subscribe bell and click the subscribe button and click the bell to receive all notifications of videos on my channel. Thanks, and go make it a great day. Hey guys, I'm back. Just one more thing. I did go ahead and season this over the weekend because the weather was cool and I had an opportunity to do it and just went ahead and did it. So if you ever want to see a seasoning on a piece like this, I can do a popover pan. It's an Erie popover pan that was given to me by Brian, one of my subs. He comments in most of my videos. He's been a great support. So if you ever want to know how to do a muffin, popover pan, that kind of thing, that would be the video that I can do for you guys. If you're interested, just leave it in the comment section below and I can tackle that for you. I may do it anyway just because I need to do it. It's been soaking in lye. But anyway, the waffle iron is done. I put 3 coats of seasoning on. I use Buzzy Wax. And Buzzy Wax is a combination of organic oils made in the USA with beeswax. It permits a higher smoke point. It bakes on the seasoning to a nice dry matte finish. And that's what my sub Sherry used on the base. And that's what the base looks like right there. And you need a low base to go over the burner. And here it is. It's a American number 8 made by the Griswold Manufacturing Company. Patented December 1st, 1908. And here is waffle iron there. You just turn it in the ball joint there. It's just a fantastic, fantastic waffle iron. I'm all done. And just thanks guys for watching. Thanks Sherry for sending this to me. And we'll go from there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please make sure to give me a thumb up. Hit the subscribe bell if you want to be notified of any future upcoming videos as soon as I release them, so you can watch them. Leave a question or comment below, and every thumb up, guys, really does help. It supports the channel, and it goes higher in search on the algorithms on YouTube, and it permits more people to watch these videos. I really appreciate that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Now go make it a great day.